Hello. So, slightly different kind of video today because I want to talk to you in mum mode. This video has been triggered by me talking to my nearly 16-year-old son and having a conversation about no regrets. And it got me thinking. It got me thinking about the way that I used to hold myself back. And actually, I still can sometimes. The things where I decide what other people are thinking for them. Yeah, sounds crazy, doesn't it? Yeah, I know you probably do this as well. So let's have a chat about no regrets. So, I want to tell you a story. When I started my handmade personalised stationery business, I used to go around and pick bridal shops that I wanted to work with, I wanted to collaborate with, because I knew that the best place, the first place that brides would go to sort anything out at all was the dress. Well, it's the venue and it's the dress. And I knew that when they were in dress buying mode, they feel good, they feel excited, they're really, really energized. It's the place where they're just looking forward to their very, very special day. So what better than as a personalized stationery, wedding stationery business? What better place to be seen than in these bridal shops? So that was my primary marketing channel. It was the easiest way for me to get out and be seen by the brides, my ideal customers. So I used to go and visit the shops and talk to the owners and show them my portfolio and have the opportunity for them to have my leaflets in the shop. And I'd stamped each one with a code on for their shop. And if the bride use that reference, if they told me about it, then the bridal shop owner would get a commission in return for having given out and shared my information. It worked really, really well, phenomenally well. It was a great way in getting in front of customers, except I used to look at the bridal shop and their shop window and the dresses that they did, and I would judge them on how they would judge me. I didn't give some of them the opportunity to even say no to me, never mind say yes, because I would go, oh, they'll think, who does she think she is? They'll look at her designs. No, our brides want better than that. I would make my own mind up about what they would think about me. How ludicrous is that? It's the most ludicrous thing in the whole wide world. You will never know what anybody else thinks about you. It is not your position to decide what other people will think about you. So please, this is me urging you, as somebody who's been there, done it, and got the t-shirt in holding themselves back in possibly one of the most ludicrous ways ever. This is me urging you to never prejudge what somebody else may or may not think about you. Instead, put your best smile on, put your best foot forward, and present yourself. Then let them make that decision. I must have had probably 10 different bridal shops within an area that I was happy to cover that I chose not to go and talk to, because I decided that actually, nah, I won't be a good fit for them. When actually, that was just a story I was telling myself in my head. I had nothing to have worried about. That's the looking back, the whole benefit of hindsight. But the reason I'm telling you is that so you don't have that now. Don't ever, ever judge what somebody else might be thinking of you. If there's something that you know would be good to do for your business, go on and do it. Just get out there. What's the worst that can happen? The worst that can happen is they can say, no thanks. And you can smile and say, great, brilliant. And you can move on and talk to the next person. But you then know it's a definitive no or definitive yes, which would be even better. But either way, you know their thoughts. You will never have regrets or wonder, I wonder if they would have said yes. I wonder if. So that's it. That's today's lesson. Today's lesson is the mum speech. It's don't leave any stone unturned. To use a cliche, but don't have those regrets. Just don't. If you know somebody who would be great to talk to about your business, who would be a great contact, somebody who's great to network with, get out there and talk to them. Make those connections. Go for it. I know that you're good at what you do. How do I know that? Because the only people who worry they aren't good enough are the people who are good enough. Because the people who have all the confidence in the world don't care as much as you do. Well, maybe they do. But I can guarantee the reason you don't think you're good enough is because you care that much. You know that you want to deliver an amazing product and an amazing service, which because you care that much, you do. So get rid of the doubts, get rid of the worry, get out there and go and talk to somebody. And if they say yes, fantastic. And if they say no, okay, there's going to be other opportunities out there, I promise. So no regrets. That's the motto I want you to live by in your business. No regrets. I probably should stick an ending on this video saying, please like this, please subscribe to the channel. I'd love it if you would. Seriously, I would absolutely love it. I will celebrate that. I'll do a little happy dance around my office. But if not, that's okay too. Because the most important takeaway from today is that you go pick up that phone. You follow up with an inquiry. You take an action that you otherwise would have just gone, nah, I don't want to interrupt them. I don't want to disturb them. No, they'll get back to me if they're ready. No, your job is to get out there and be proactive. Follow up. Be friendly. Just checking in, seeing if you made a decision yet. My dates are booking up. Just wondered if you still want that slot. Be friendly. Be helpful. But get out there and make those connections. Oh, and if you do want to like this video and drop me a comment below, I would absolutely love that as well. Speak to you soon.